Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A6 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started you will need a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. But you can always use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So to insert SIM card, you want to push out the first tray from the top on the left side. So this is the smaller one. Once you take it out, you can see it's written SIM on here. If we can get a look at there. And from here, you want to just pop in your SIM card like so, and slide it back into the device, and it should automatically give me a pin. There it is. So just unlock it, and then at the bottom, on the big one, you can take that out. And here you have space for the SD card. You can see there it is at the bottom. You can place it over here. Now the upper one normally would have a place for the second SIM card, but it looks like in this place they just didn't bother making a different tray, and you just cannot put a SIM card in here. It should be cut out. I assume the device doesn't support double SIM card, and it was cheaper to make it this way. So you have this little fake slot right here, but the SD card fits and works. So let's just place that in there, and we should also get a message about SD card. So there it is. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.